Adjust item selling prices. Sometimes you may adjust item selling prices due to market demand, changes in cost, promotions or sales, price changes by suppliers, or changes in the economy. You can adjust item selling prices from item list. You can go to list of items, open the item. You can change selling prices. If you have price list, go to price list tab. You can edit the item selling prices. However, if you are changing item selling price by opening each and every item, it will take significant time if you have several items in your inventory. Therefore, you can use adjust item selling prices option and you can change your selling prices at once. You can access this function from items, transactions, adjust item selling prices. There are three methods. First option, adjust selling prices. There are also three options: selling prices based on selling prices based on last cost, selling prices based on average cost. From here, you can increase item selling price by a percentage. You can add the percentage, then system will increase or decrease the selling price. Selling price change based on selling prices. Second method, adjust selling prices using quick entry grid. From here, system will display item list. You can edit your selling price. Third method, you can copy from another price list. If you have different price list, you can copy one price list to another price list. We will discuss in detail these three methods. First, adjust selling prices. Click next. From here, you can select your price list. There are three options: selling prices based on selling prices based on last cost, selling prices based on average cost. We will select first option, selling prices based on selling price. You can select items. You can select particular item or range of items. If you don't select any item, system will change all item selling prices. You can select active items, inactive items, or both items. From item category, you can select particular category or you can select range of categories. If you don't select any item category, system will change all item categories selling prices. You can select item type, service item, physical item, or both items. If you want to rounding, you can select rounding options. You can select round up, round down, normal rounding, and no rounding. If you select any rounding method, you can enter rounding to nearest. After that, you can enter the adjustment percentage. We will increase by 10%. There's another option, update selling prices on recurring invoices. If you have recurring invoices and if you want to update those recurring invoices prices to new price, you can check this checkbox. This is our current selling prices. We will update selling prices by clicking next button. Now item adjustment has completed. Click finish button. Now this is new prices. We will check with previous prices. Previously keyboard is 2000. Now price has increased to 2200. In mouse, its previous price is 1000. Price has increased 1100. That is, we have increased by 10%. Now if you want to change or if you want to reduce prices, you can reduce the prices. If you want to reduce the prices, you can enter with minus sign. We'll refresh these prices. Now this is after adjustment. You'll enter minus percentage and we will check. Now price has reduced. Previously keyboard is 2200. Now it has reduced to 1980. That is by 10%. Like that, you can increase or decrease selling prices from adjust item selling prices. You check the second option, selling prices based on last cost. This is last cost. Here also you can select items. You can select active item, inactive item or both items. You can select items by item category. You can select items by item type. And you can select rounding options. Here we will increase by 50%. And if you want to update recurring invoices selling prices, you can check this option. Now we will increase item selling prices based on last cost. This is our current prices. This is last cost. This is selling price. We will update by clicking next button. Click finish. Now this is our new selling prices. We have increased by 50% based on last cost. Now our last cost is 1000. Selling price has changed to 1500. Now previously it was 2200. Now it has changed to 1500. Like that, based on last cost, selling price has changed. We will check the third option, selling prices based on average cost. We will update these selling prices. Refresh, then it will update. Now here we are changing selling prices based on average cost. We can select items. We can select active, inactive or both items. We can select from item category. We can select by item type. We can select rounding options. We will increase selling prices by 50% based on average cost. Here also, if you want to update selling prices in recurring invoices, you can check this checkbox. Click next. Click finish. Now here selling prices has changed based on average cost. Now in this item, keyboard, first item, average cost is 950. Item selling price has changed to 1425. Previously it was 1500. Now it has changed to 1425. Like that, if you want, you can change your selling prices based on average cost. Next, we will move to main second method, adjust selling prices using quick into grid. We'll update these prices by refreshing. Okay. After select the second option, click next button. Here also you can select price list, or you can select items. Click next button. Here you can change selling prices. After that, click next and complete the selling price adjustment. This is new selling prices. We will compare with previous selling price. First item, keyboard, it's 1425. Now it has changed to 1500. Like that, you can change item selling prices from quick into grid. Next, we will discuss third method, main third method, copy from and the price list. Click next. You can select from price list, and from here you can select to which price list you want to copy the prices. After that, click next and you can adjust item selling prices. By using these three methods, you can adjust your selling prices at once.